Okay, it's time for your final slide of the day. We've got 3 sentences that we're gonna go ahead and knock out and spell. Remember, you double click in the box and you type out your sentences, all right? All right, make sure you listen, watch, and we'll get started with our first sentence, which is the raft is in the pond. The raft is in the pond. Okay, go ahead and hit pause while you make that sentence, and we'll move on to the second sentence. Is that plum fresh? Your second sentence is that plum fresh? Okay, remember, we always start with A, and we always end with A. Okay, a question is going to end in something different than a statement. Okay, is this sentence an asking question or is it a telling statement? Okay, things you got to ask yourselves. So one more time for number 2. Is that plum fresh? Okay, go ahead and hit pause while you make that sentence. And we'll go to number 3, last one of the day. Bob felt his leg twist. Okay, number 3. Bob felt his leg twist. Ouch. Okay, when you're done with that and you're done with the rest of your slides, go ahead and turn it in, and you guys are done with your phonics for the day. Nice job.